Hello! Today we are going to learn about a somewhat new feature in Microsoft Sentinel called SOC Optimization. The purpose of it is to lower the cost by optimizing tables we are not using on a daily basis and are not associated with any of the analytic rules or other forms of detection we have in place. Another part of it is a coverage check where we can see recommendation on which analytic rules should be enabled in our environment to improve coverage against specific types of attacks. We can also see all threat scenarios for a single point of overview in our environment. Let's start with the first table that is flagged in my test environment. First of all, we can flag it as in progress, complete, or completely dismiss it. In my case, it shows only 2.4 megabytes in the past 3 months that isn't used. Based on the current Sentinel pricing, I don't think it's even worth my time to do anything with the table, so I'm going to dismiss it to remove the recommendation. Let's take a look to another table. The volume is still low, but let's pretend we actually want to take action on it. To do so, we can change the plan. Here, we can select between table plans. Basic will result in lower cost and shorter retention period, while the analytic plan, on the other hand, will result in higher cost and retention. For my scenario, I am going to switch to basic plan and set retention to 30 days, as I am not planning to use that table for anything else related to analytic rules detection. Now we can look into coverage improvements. As you can see, the coverage against credential harvesting could be improved based on a diagram. Let's click on the Go to Content Hub to see what we can enable. When you are checking those results, take them with a grain of salt, as you will see a lot of them completely unrelated to your environment. For example, I am not using Cisco Umbrella, Octave, Proofpoint, so this information doesn't really give me anything useful. On the other hand, I can see that Microsoft 365 is not connected. Let's install it to have a coverage for any Office activity around SharePoint, Exchange, and Teams. Next, we can take a look at the analytic rules for file transfer about a certain threshold. We can install the rule first. Keep in mind that it will deploy the template only for now. We would still need to create a running analytic rule for it. To do so, simply click on Create Rule and follow the usual steps, saving it at the end. Congratulations! Now you know the basic information about SOC optimization feature in Microsoft Sentinel. Happy hunting!